is this actually able to ride by itself? What types of inputs is Stefan giving it as it's riding around the lot?
Now, Stefan is now at the moment still controlling the bike, but he only gives advice to do electrical or light, and everything else is done by the motorcycle by itself.